Hi, I am Manu, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a completely unique, creative, and highly profitable home based business idea that you can start with very low investment and almost no experience. Yet it has the potential to give you long term earnings. If you want to change your life, become successful, and start earning money, then make sure to watch this video till the end because it can truly change your life. This idea is all about making beautiful, realistic grape shaped decorative shop displays, which are extremely trending in home decor, gifting, and custom handmade categories. In this business, you create small, round, shiny, grape like balls using clay, resin, soap base, or silicone material. You can shape them by hand or simply pour the material into grape shaped fruit molds that you can easily purchase online. Once your grape balls are ready, you arrange them creatively into a miniature shop style display using a small shop base, wooden or acrylic frames, tiny signboards, decorative leaves, trays, and colorful backdrops. This becomes a premium looking, attractive decoration piece that people proudly keep on dining tables, kitchen counters, office desks, shop shelves, event setups, or as a thoughtful gift. The best part is that all the materials you need grape molds, fruit molds, silicone molds, soap base, resin, shop bases, stands, and accessories are easily available on Amazon. And if you live in Pakistan, they are also available on Daraz. And yes, if you want, I can give you the complete list of direct purchase links. Just comment link please, and I'll send everything directly to you. Now let's talk about investment and profit. You can start this amazing business with only $15 to $30, including molds, base materials, and accessories. The cost to make one piece usually stays between $4 to $8, but you can easily sell each piece for $18 to $35, depending on your design and size. This means your profit margin is extremely high, around $12 to $25 per piece. If you make 20 pieces a month, you earn around $240 to $500. And if you make 50 pieces, your earnings can reach $600 to $1,200 or even more. When your design goes viral, the income becomes unlimited. People who buy these products include home decor lovers, shop owners, event decorators, gift buyers, cafe owners, and online customers from Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. To make your product look premium, always use glossy resin or high quality clay. Add small wooden signboards. Place artificial leaves for a realistic fruit effect. Choose rich grape colors like purple, green, or pastel tones. Use fairy lights for an elegant touch. Pack your product in a transparent box with a ribbon and add your own brand label. These simple touches increase your value and boost your sales. And before I continue, let me share one very important tip. Instead of wasting your time scrolling on social media, start learning a small business idea and build something that belongs to you. Nothing in the world is better than having your own business. And without any expensive machines or complicated setup, then don't skip this video. Today's business idea is soap making business, but not the usual soaps. Today, I'm showing you adorable, eye-catching grape-shaped soap balls, and trust me, people love these. These small, colorful grape soaps look super cute, smell amazing, and are perfect for gift hampers, baby showers, wedding favors, home decor, Instagram shop orders. And the best part? You can make them at home with very simple materials. Just melt and pour soap base, a little color, fragrance, and grape molds. That's it. Poo, set, cool, and your beautiful soap grapes are ready. Profit margin? If you make 100 soap grapes, your cost stays very low, but the selling price is 3 to 4 times higher. It's one of the easiest, safest, and most profitable home business ideas for beginners. And if you package them neatly with ribbons and cute baskets, just like you're seeing in this video, your selling price can go even higher because presentation sells. This business is perfect for anyone who wants to start a small online shop, work from home, or create handmade products that buyers instantly fall in love with. It's simple, aesthetic, and very trending right now, especially on Instagram, TikTok, and Etsy. So, friends, if you want a full step by step tutorial on how to make these grape shaped soap balls, comment below and let me know. I'm Manu, and I'll see you in idea number 4. Stop scrolling. People in the US are making more money from this tiny home business than their actual jobs, and nobody is telling you about it. Don't miss a single idea. Subscribe to this channel right now because here you'll get unlimited business ideas for free, plus full detailed guidance with every one of them. And if you truly believe in this and you like the concept, just tell me in the comments. I'll personally provide you with all the details, your own creation, and your own income that stays with you your entire life. You can launch your own brand, put your name on every piece, and build a reputation that grows every single day. People will recognize your work, your creativity, and your brand identity. So, instead of wasting hours scrolling, start building your future today. Because successful people don't waste time, they create something valuable from it. And yes, if you want the full list of molds, shop bases, materials, and accessories, then make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You have pressed the bell icon and you have liked this video. After that, just comment link please and I will send all the links directly to you. So, start this business today. Build your own brand and turn your creativity into a full-time earning source. I'll see you in the next business idea video. Take care and keep creating. Also, I would love to know where you are watching my video from. So please let me know in the comments.